Back with a quick DIY on my updated rice water deep conditioner or hair mask. So I made my rice water. I used about a cup of brown rice, and then I filled the water up to about there. What does that say? 16 ounces, but I don't think that's 16 ounces of water. But you can kind of see on the jar. I let it ferment for a couple of days. There really is no wrong way to ferment. I would recommend no less than 24 hours. So you can do it, 24 hours and up. And I did have a couple of drops of peppermint oil to fight the smell that fermentation brings. So once my water was done, I had maybe like a third of this left. This is the Shea Moisture Superfruit Complex deep conditioner. So I put all of that in this bowl, and I added all of my rice water in the bowl. And then I put a couple of drops of this Jamaican black castor oil, and this oil has maybe 10 drops of lavender oil that I've put in it. So lavender oil, Jamaican black castor oil, deep conditioner, rice water, and then I mixed it so it has like a nice thick consistency. And I washed my hair with shampoo, didn't use conditioner, and then I put this in right after, and I have it sitting in my head. I'm gonna go for 30 minutes or more, but I just wanted to show y'all that. And since I didn't use all the conditioner, the deep conditioner, I decided that I'm gonna put it back in the jar and then put the jar in the fridge so that it stops fermenting, and I'll use it in about a week when I do my next wash. So just a little update for y'all. So this is what it looks like back in the jar. It's about halfway full. So I may even be able to use this for 2 more deep conditioning masks. So I'll let y'all know. But I recommend that you try to, incorporate the rice water in your wash day any way that you see fit. Try some different things. You don't have to use the exact same deep conditioner that I used. You can use your own. You don't have to use essential oils or castor oil. You can use olive oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, any oil, that you prefer. But just give it a try. There's no wrong way to do it. And again, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like my videos, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see me try out.